Wangechi wa Kariuki nĩ atiga andũ magegete mũno na gũkorwo agĩtuthũra ndereti nene mũno nenda-inĩ thutha wake gũkorwo akĩreact to what is going on between Ide na Samido thutha wa Ide's post na Samido gũkorwo akĩonekana ta arĩkĩtie gũtigwo nĩ Ide. Na Wangechi wa Kariuki agĩkorwo akĩrekereria ndũmĩrĩri ĩno kũrĩa akorwo akiuga atĩ ke nĩ agegetio nĩ Samido. She respects Samido nĩ gũkorwo atĩ ke he had the audacity and also the courage to hunt and go for Karen Nyamu, a woman who is financially independent, na gũkorwo akĩmũiga as his side woman. Wangechi akiuga ati not many men would dare approach a woman, a grown-up woman who has such financial muscle and independent mind like Karen Nyamu. Na Wangechi agakiuga she applauds Samido nĩ gũkorwo akĩhota gwĩka ũũ, as opposed to many men out here who instead of going for such women would rather have weaker and less financially able women. Now, in fact, Wangechi augite no one should dare call Samido weak. That is what she had shared, akiuga, and by the way, don't dare call Samido weak if you're a married man who is having a college girl or a voiceless woman as a mpango. Due to your inferiority complex, you only look for a mpango who can't dare speak out due to their circumstances and make sure they remain vulnerable. You don't support them. Umaheaga oshiada bure sana. You are just intimidated by Samido's audacity to hunt a large elephant. If you are not weak as well, bring the two women together. Wacha wa decide kama watakaa pamoja ama mmoja atajitoa. I don't support Samido's actions, but I applaud any man who can dare approach a well-grown-up woman who has financial muscle and an independent mind. That's not a weak man, it's a daring man. Si kudate tu, anampea mimba na si moja mbili. Wangechi agathi na mbere na kuga wewe uko na watoto wa shule na the less fortunate na unaita Samido weak, we wacha zako. To Samido, mwiba wa kujidunga hawambiwi pole. Since you have two lionesses who want you whole mzima mzima, look for wazee for advice. It is very tricky for you. Wangechi akiuga even though she does not support Samido's actions, she applauds and recognizes Samido's confidence. Ni gũkorwo ati he was able to approach Karen Nyamu knowing very well she is very financially stable and also an independent woman. Wangechi akiuga not many men do this. Na of course mĩario ĩno ya Wangechi nĩ yagĩkorwo ĩgĩtuthũra ndereti nene mũno in her comment section. Mafans ake magĩtigwo magayũkanĩte ama magĩtĩkanĩria nake makiuga yes, Samido hau he cannot be called weak, nĩ gĩko gĩkĩ gĩake ya gũkorwo aigĩte Karen as his second woman. Na angĩ makiuga aca, ona angĩkorwo nĩ atĩ arekire matingĩtĩkanĩria na ũguo Wangechi arauga a wrong is a wrong. Dick Dan akiuga no woman can support what Samido is doing, maybe the unmarried ones. Na onake Blessed Favor akiuga Wangechi uko sure aje si Karen aliandama Samido na kumuingiza box. Kwa hii wacha ni nyamaze juu hatukatai ni ndume, but respect muhimu. Akalishe hao lioness wake kama leader wa his homes na aset boundaries juu kuna mwenye anajiona kama ndiye kusema si mambo na do. Onake Betty akiuga but on an interview Karen said she approached Samido and never knew he was married, so yeye aliingia tu box na akasonga. Oyo akiuga it is Karen who approached Samido, not the other way around as Wangechi says. Na nĩ ndereti ĩthiĩte ona mbere gũkorwo ĩgĩtanda mũno on social media thutha wa mĩario ĩno ya Wangechi. No Wangechi agakiuga she does not support Samido's actions na nĩ amejiletea all this na koguo he has to deal with the consequences. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.